Michaelnagar Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Now, I will teach you the chapter time and distance, chapter 15. Okay. Now, there is a confusion about the distance and displacement. In class 9 or 10, you must have to study about the difference between the distance and displacement. The total path covered by the particle is called the distance, and the distance is that here A and B are the 2 points. If you cover in this way or in this way or in this way, this is the total path covered. Let us take S1, S2, that means 4 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 6 kilometer, 1 kilometer. The sum of the total kilometers is the distance. And displacement. What is displacement? The shortest distance between the two particles. That means this is the displacement. Displacement. But in class 7, I will discuss the sum. Here, this is a telegraph post AB, and if a train passes the post, then it covers its own length. Clear? When the train, this is the train and this is the post. The train first reach at this line and then passes from left side to right side. Then it covers its own length. This is the first principle, first rule. The next rule is when that train passes a bridge, that is a bridge. So, the total length will be calculated, the length of the train, that means this and this, that means L1, L2. Okay. Then the total distance will be calculate L1 plus L2. Clear? When the two trains coming opposite direction, let us take it is L1 and the length of the second train be L2. Okay. Its velocity be V1 and its velocity be V2. So, when the two trains are coming from the left side and right side, then its velocity be V1 minus V2 will be V1 plus V2. This train is coming from the left hand side and going to right side. So, its velocity, let us take the positive velocity, and if this train comes from the right hand side to left hand side, its velocity be taken minus V2. Minus here, minus indicates the opposite direction. So, the relative velocity is that. What is the relative velocity? One respect to other. One respect to other. That is the relative velocity. Will be V1 and V2. Clear? If these two trains are in the same direction, so with respect to one V1, this relative velocity will be V1 minus V2. Clear? Now, with the help of these rules, I place you some example. Example is that let a train, its length 90 meter, takes 25 seconds to passes a pole. What is the meaning of that? A train its length 90 meter, clear, passes a pole and takes to cover the pole takes 25 seconds. This is a post, takes now calculate its speed. Okay. So, 25 seconds takes to cover 90 meter. One second takes to cover 90 by 25 meter. If this velocity be in kilometer per hour, so meter divided by 1000 gets kilometer, okay, and second divided by 60 and 60. Why 60 and 60? 60 second makes 1 minute and 60 minute equal to 1 hour. So, after calculation we get the result. Clear? The result will be 90 into 60 by 1000 into 25. So, kilometer per hour. Clear? After calculation, you reach the final stage. This is the answer. So, if we calculate this and this, 9 into 6 by 25. So, it gets the result 12.96 kilometer after calculation. Clear? 12.96 kilometer per hour. Clear? Next sum. This sum is sum number 12. Then I will solve the next sum, sum number 13. Sum number 13 is that here the length of the train, the length of the two trains are, the length of the train is 150 meter. Train cover a bridge whose length is 250 meter. This train covered the bridge whose length 250 meter. Then another train, the same length, 150 meter, cover a bridge whose length is, sorry, not bridge, it is platform, 130 meter. Okay. Now, takes to cover first time is given that takes to cover 30 seconds. What is the sum? Here, the length of the train is given and the length of the bridge is given, 150 train and 250 the length of the bridge. Takes to cover 30 seconds. Then the question is that this train or the same length, another train, find out the time to cover 130 meter length platform. Understood? So, the sum is 150 plus 250 meter takes to cover in 30 seconds. Clear? Takes to cover in 30 seconds. One meter takes to cover 30 by 150 plus 250 second. Now, the second part, 150 plus 130. That means the sum of the length of the platform and the train is 150 plus 130. Clear? Will be 30 into 150 plus 130 by 150 plus 250. Clear? So, after calculation, here 280 by 400 and this. Now, this will 3 into 28 by 4. 21 seconds. So, this is the complete sum and the sum is solved in this way. Clear? The next video I will discuss the another chapter. Thank you. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. subscribe, and do share the video among your friends.